I was a friend too. I mean, from the time I met her 1976, bago mag-start yung 3 taong walang Diyos, and through the years, we became very good friends. We would always talk about any other matter, di ba? Basta, puro nga kalokohan. Baliw si Ate Guy, certified baliw eh. Hindi, baliw siya. In a good way.
Paano baliw si Ate Guy?
Gusto lang yung tawa ng puro biro. Gusto lang puro biro.
Masayahin siya.
Oo. Yun lang gusto niya, di ba? First, drink brandy and cognac. Yun. But marami kami napag-usapan, maraming kwentuhan. Yes, we became a good friend.
Oo.
So,